Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our topic for today is very interesting. How much money should you have saved in your GoTyme account to earn 20,000 pesos per month considering the 5% interest per annum and 20% withholding tax? So if you're interested to know about that, this is the perfect video for you. So let's get started. First, let's break down the scenario. We want to earn 20,000 pesos in interest every month. To do that, we need to calculate how much money we should have saved up to generate this level of interest. Now, we have a few factors to consider here: the interest rate and the withholding tax. So, let's start with the interest rate. We have a 5% annual interest rate, but we want to earn monthly, so we need to convert that into a monthly rate. To do that, we simply divide the annual rate by 12. Monthly interest rate is annual interest rate divided by 12. Now, we've got a monthly interest rate of approximately 0.4167%. That's the amount we'll earn on our savings each month. But remember, we have to consider the withholding tax, which is 20%. So, net monthly interest rate equals monthly interest rate times 100% minus withholding tax. Our net monthly interest rate after accounting for the withholding tax is around 0.3333%. Now that we have our interest rate, we can calculate how much we need to save to earn 20,000 pesos per month. Savings equals desired monthly interest divided by net monthly interest rate. Plug in the numbers. Equals 20,000 pesos divided by 0.3333%. After the math, we get approximately 6 million pesos. So, to earn 20,000 pesos in interest per month with GoTyme, which has a 5% annual interest rate and a 20% withholding tax, you need to have around 6 million pesos saved up. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.